This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition option, which basically serves as the screen lock method. So launch settings, go into password and security category, then opt for the fingerprint, continue, choose what backup screen lock method you would like to go for. I'll go with pattern. Then set the whatever password you went for. Then we can start enrolling the fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located underneath the bottom part of our screen. So simply repeatedly lay and lift your finger onto the scanner until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be successfully scanned. If you have any difficulties or problems, just make sure to follow the instructions and you will add your fingerprint in no time. Now let's go ahead and quickly test this feature out, see how well it performs and how well it works in general. So as you can see, the screen unlock is pretty rapid, no delays, nothing like that. It obviously should not react to any other fingerprint as well. So great success. The next option for today you can find at the display and brightness category. It is called the refresh rate, and its value determines how smooth your animations and visuals will be. So basically at the high value of 90 Hz, you will obviously get the smoothest visual experience, but at the same time your power will be drained significantly faster. While at the 60 Hz you'll get reasonable amount of smoothness, but the power consumption or the battery consumption will be increased significantly as well, or decreased significantly as well, excuse me. So you will conserve battery and your device will be able to live way longer on a single battery charge. Or if you do not bother to manually switch all the time between those two values, you can just set this value to auto select and let the system do its magic. And long story short, if your battery will be insufficient, it will lower the refresh rate value. If you will have enough power, it will crank it up all the way to the top value of 90 Hz. The next feature for today is the always on display and how you can set it up. So launch settings once again, go for the personalizations category, and in here you'll find the always on display right away. In order to enable it, you apparently have to enable the switch. Then you can change the display options, which information will be shown at the AOD. Choose the design from the list of pre-provided ones. You can obviously upload your own picture as well and set it as your AOD image over here and customize it even further. So now let's see what result I have ended up with. Here is mine. Just go ahead and set it to be as custom as you like. The force and the force tip is rather a small one. That's how you can enable this battery percentage. So if you do not have it over here, just go at the notification and status bar category, then go for the status bar, and at the battery percentage. Obviously, if it is not visible, it is set to be do not show. But if you would like to actually see it over here, you can go for either of those options, either inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon. And as for the fifth and final feature, this one is related to the system performance and how you can boost and improve it. So go into About Device category of settings, then tap at the RAM. In here, turn on the RAM expansion toggle, choose the how many gigabytes you would like to increase your random access memory for. And in order for those changes to be applied, just simply reboot your device by holding the side power button, go in for the restart, and after your phone or system gets reloaded, you'll get the additional amount of RAM that you have opted for. Basically, the way this feature works, it just adds a few extra virtual random access memory gigabytes by occupying the internal storage. So that's not like you are ripping your phone apart and getting another module of RAM stick, for example. It's more of a software thing, but it does improve the performance of your system nonetheless. So that's a very useful thing to know in case you see that your default 6 GB of random access memory are not cutting it. Alrighty, so that will be not only for the final tip, but for this video in general. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.